Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In the previous lesson, we introduced gas transportation machinery. Today, we will learn how to perform leak testing operations. Using gas transportation machinery, the leak testing process involves an air compressor system, which consists of a screw-type air compressor, an air storage tank, a refrigerated air dryer, and an oil-water separator. This system continuously supplies a fixed amount of compressed air for the test. The air compressor system should be turned on in advance before starting the test. Common tools used in leak testing include blind plates, which serve to isolate and cut off sections, and box-end wrenches and open-end wrenches, which are used together to install and remove bolts and nuts. Lockout devices are used to lock and tag energy isolation switches. Quick connect hoses make the connection and disconnection of hoses fast and easy. Before conducting leak testing, appropriate preparations should be made. For example, written test procedures should be prepared for each test loop. When using air for pneumatic testing, if the pipeline has previously transported flammable liquids, measures should be taken to prevent the mixing of flammable gases with air, which could cause an explosion if compressed air is used. It should be dry, oil-free, dust-free, and free of other foreign particles. Before testing, all water and condensate in the pipeline should be drained. A pressure relief valve should be installed in the test loop. Next, we will demonstrate the leak testing operation. Leak testing is mainly used to check for leaks at the connections of continuous pipelines and repaired pipelines. The gas used for leak testing should be dry, clean air, nitrogen, or other inert gases. During leak testing, the pressure should be slowly increased to the test pressure and held for a certain period of time. All weld connection points and areas that were disassembled and reassembled during maintenance should be inspected. If any leaks are found, the pressure should be reduced to zero. The cause should be identified, and the issue should be resolved before repeating the leak testing process. Below is an example of leak testing performed on a pipeline after maintenance scenario. After replacing the gasket at flange A in the pipeline, it is necessary to check the sealing integrity of the pipeline to ensure there are no leaks during normal operation. The pipeline section from B1 to B2 is now being checked for leaks. The relevant isolation valves remain locked and isolated, and the figure 8 blind plates at B1 and B3 were replaced after maintenance. The gas source used is compressed air, supplied by an air compressor. The implementation process is as follows. First, preparation. Prepare the necessary items for the leak testing operation. Maintenance notification signs, quick connect hoses, tags, soapy water, and so on. Place the maintenance notification signs in prominent locations during the maintenance work. Second, confirm lockout and tag out. Ensure that the inlet valve V1, bypass valve V6, outlet valve V3, and power supply are closed and in a locked and tapped state. The pump outlet pressure gauge root valve V13 should be open. and the drain valve V9 should be closed. Third, pressure test. Connect one end of the prepared quick connect hose to the compressed air pipeline and the other end to the pipeline section. V8 to be tested for leaks. Slowly open the compressed air control valve and gradually pressurize the pipeline to 0.2 megapascal. The pressurization speed should not be too fast, and the pressure should not be too high or too low. Fourth, data recording. Observe the pressure gauge readings and record them every 2 minutes. Fifth, soapy water leak test. Spray soapy water on the areas where gaskets were replaced or reassembled. Points A, B1, and B2, and observe for bubbles. If no bubbles are found, continue observing and ensure the pressure is stable for more than 5 minutes. If bubbles are observed or the pressure gauge reading drops, locate the leak. Mark the leaking area. Open valve B9 to release the pressure, reduce the pressure gauge reading to 0. Inspect the leak, repair it, and then repeat the leak testing process, as described above, until no leaks are found. 6. Pressure relief. Slowly open valve V9 to release the pressure, and check if the pressure gauge reading is 0. After depressurizing, disconnect the hose. Ensure that the pressure is fully released before disconnecting the hose. Never disconnect the hose under pressure. 7th, remove tags and locks. Remove the tags and locks from valves B1, B6, B3, and the power supply. 8th, clean up the site. Return all tools to their original places and clean up the site. Through this lesson, I hope everyone can learn how to correctly perform leak testing.